Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our maintenance guide for the HP ProBook 4550 G10. Today, we'll cover the essential steps to keep your laptop running smoothly. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a soft microfiber cloth. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious as there may be clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, double check for any remaining screws. Now you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust and debris from the fans and vents. This is vital for maintaining airflow and preventing overheating. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any moisture from escaping. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, take the microfiber cloth and gently wipe down the surfaces inside. Avoid touching any of the circuit boards or components directly. This will help keep your laptop clean and free from dust accumulation. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping them. Now let's talk about the battery. If you removed it, reinsert it now. Plug in your laptop and power it on. Check to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you get your device back in shape without any hassle. In summary, regular maintenance of your HP ProBook 4550 G10 is essential for its longevity and performance. By following these steps, you can ensure your laptop remains in excellent condition. Remember, if you need assistance, we're just a call away, offering no calls, no travel services to make your life easier. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.